Hey, this is Nusrat. Look at this channel right here. It creates simple animation videos for kids. It is racking up millions of views. Now let's look at their social blade. We can see that they boast over 1.22 M subscribers and are making a profit between 706K 11 million a month. Impressive, right? Well, today, I'll walk you through how you can achieve similar results using AI.
Hello kids, welcome to our color world. I am so excited to learn about body parts. Are you excited with me? So let's start.
It's easier than you think and can result in creations just like this. In just 8 steps, you will be able to do this too. So let's go. Step 1. Discovering the perfect script. To begin, our first task is to make a script for our kids' animation learning video. Let's go to ChatGPT and request a YouTube script that will captivate our young audience. All right? Okay. Wow, ChatGPT provided us with a script within few seconds. Isn't it amazing? If the script doesn't quite hit the mark, feel free to reach out to ChatGPT again for another fantastic idea. Step 2. Text-to-speech with 11 Labs GPT. We have our script, and now it's time to transform it into speech by 11 Labs. We'll be using this incredible AI tool. To begin, navigate to the speech synthesis section in 11 Labs, head to Settings, and click on the first bar to explore a variety of pre-made voices. Take your time listening to each one and choose the voice that resonates with you the most. Remember, the choice of voice plays a significant role in engaging your audience. So, pick the voice that best reflects the tone and vibe you aim to convey. Next, input the narration extracted from the script crafted by ChatGPT into the designated text section. Copy and paste only the text that comes after host, and repeat this process for all parts of the script. Once you're done, click on Generate. Ensure that the audio file doesn't exceed 2 minutes, as this is crucial for the next step. If needed, generate the audio in 2 segments. Here's the exciting outcome. Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun. This tool offers exciting prices. Start from only $1. Step 3. Animation with Adobe Express. Next, we'll bring our script to life using Adobe Express. Just head over to Adobe Express, locate the specific link provided in the description, and then log in or sign up using your email. Start animating free with ease on this platform. To do that, click the button that says Make Animations for YouTube. Just sign in by Google account. Now pick a funny character like this Aletta, then go to the background and make sure the background is green. This is important for further editing. Now upload the audio file which is created by 11 Labs and wait till Adobe Express is done processing. The way his mouth moves, how he blinks, and even the hand gestures. Okay, now download all the character which you need. Once it has finished, it will look like this.
Hi kids, let's shake our body. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Step 4. Creating an excellent background with Canva and to edit our characters. So let's go to Canva. Create your account. If you haven't already, now click on YouTube Video Chapter. Where it provides all perfect shapes for YouTube. By the way, this tool has paid and free option. Here I go for free. Next, to create a background for your video, just use the search bar to find suitable elements and drag them inside your project. Find suitable elements for your videos and adjust all the elements. If you purchase Canva Pro, you got picture animation facilities, green screen editing facilities, and much more. If everything is done, just go to the right corner and click Share and then click Download. Step 5. Video editing by Filmora. We have all the elements ready. Now use the video editing software of your choice. Here I have used Filmora. First, import the background, all the characters, and sound. Second, drag and drop background, and adjust offset and tolerance. Set all the characters one by one. Double-click on the character, select the chroma key, set all the characters in the background perfectly, adjust the sound. Simply utilize the search bar to locate appropriate elements and drag them into your project. Additionally, you have the option to incorporate animated features such as moving trees or a sun with facial expressions. Ensure to review the script generated by ChatGPT, as there may be crucial elements to integrate by dragging them onto the right side of your timeline. You also have the flexibility to adjust the duration of your video as needed. And finally, export. Here I have used the Filmora paid version. Step 6. Crafting your YouTube channel. Let's consult ChatGPT for the ideal name for a kid's YouTube channel. ChatGPT suggested a lots of name within few seconds. Here, Fun Kids Zone seems like a suitable choice. Step 7. Make logo and banner by Canva. Log in to Canva. Begin by searching for YouTube logo to access a variety of perfectly sized and shaped YouTube logos. Choose a logo from the selection. Customize the chosen logo by altering the name and making any other desired modifications. Done. Finally, export the logo JPG format. Next, search for YouTube banner to explore a range of perfectly sized and shaped YouTube banners. Select a banner from the options available. Customize the chosen banner by adjusting the name and making any other desired modifications. Step 8. Open Gmail and access your YouTube channel. Navigate to Gmail and input all required information for account creation. Complete the verification process. Once your Gmail account is created, open your YouTube channel. Set a password, change the channel name, select a username, update the logo and banner. Finally, upload your video content. Finally, look at the final look.
Kids, let's shake our body. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Hey, shoulder, knees and toes,
Let me introduce you to my body part companions, eyes. The eyes help you see things around you. Did you see that? My eyes just saved me. Ears, the ears help you listen. Nose, the nose helps you smell. Teeth, the teeth help you bite and chew delicious food. Hand, again. The hands help you do a lot of things. The hands help you play sports. They help you to do heavy labor, like fixing a nail on the wall. Legs. Your legs help you move around, walk and run. You can kick a football and even play with a skipping rope. I hope you liked the video. Please comment on which types of videos you want to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.